Well, hello boys and girls, welcome to the Beach Team Science Lab, a very special place. Not many people are allowed in here. Today I've got my safety equipment on, my goggles, my gloves and my suits. And to do this experiment that we're going to do today, you will need some vitamin fizzy tablets. You will need some orange or red droplet food colouring. You will also need a glass of water that I'm going to keep just here. And you will need some oil. And this experiment is going to help us to think and to see, make our own fiery furnace. Who is excited? I am so excited to make my very own fiery furnace to help us remember the story of Shadrach, Meshach and Abednego and how God saved them. So we're going to start with our glass of water. I'm going to take some oil and we're going to pour it in quite a bit. There we go. Now you will see that with oil and the water, they stay separate. Can you see? The oil is on top of the water. And then is what we're going to do, we're going to place some drops of our food colouring in. So quite a few. We're just going to squeeze it in, a nice few drops. There we are, you see them dropping down. There we go, you can put in as many drops as you want. I'm going to put quite a few in because I think it'll be really cool to be nice and colourful. So this is orange, you can use red, you can use yellow, any kind of fiery colour that you can think of. And then we're going to pop the lid back on so we don't waste any or spill any. And then we're going to take our tablet. So you're going to have to look very carefully now. So we're going to take a tablet out that will fizz. And we're going to drop it in the glass and hope that we can make our very own fiery furnace. Are we ready? Can you see what's happening? And while we're watching this, we can also think about those people that might need help. So just as Shadrach, Meshach and Abednego needed God to help them, actually we might know people that might need God to help them too. So as we remember the story and watch our fiery furnace, actually maybe we can pray for them and ask God to help them. Maybe you want some help. And we can also remember that just like Shadrach, Meshach and Abednego, that when they did what was right in God's eyes, not necessarily their friends or family's eyes, God helped them, God was with them. And God is with us too when we choose to live in a way that is pleasing to Him and we choose to follow Him.